Welcome to this tutorial. Here we will merge the body and bust models we created earlier. Now let's see. First of all, install Open Edit preferences. Then install the plugin we have provided in our downloads page. Install from disk. Go to your downloads folder after downloading it, then install this latest version 1.5.0 zip or higher, 1.5.0 or higher. Then go to the add-on menu, toolbar, whatever you call it, import body GLB, go to the files we had saved previously, then click on bust. Let's turn on the shader. Let's click on the import bust, downloads. It is too big. So first thing is to make it smaller. Bust scale. The scale of the bust 0.19. Let's try that out. 0.19. 0.19. Let's place it a little bit upward. Let's zoom in. Now let's zoom in. And now look at it closely. Now 4 5, let's see what 4 5 takes us. Above 40, 40 is okay, but I think we would need to cut the bus line. Body cut Z, this is the important cut. How much of the body comes through? So this is 3.9. We'd have to take it in. We have to deduct the 3.5. Yeah, this seems to be nice. 3.5 is okay. Now we place the body, the bust size needs to be a bit different. A little bit of alignment should do it. Bust position 0.07. A little bit further 0.055. Even a little bit further than that 0.035. Let me see the image. Yeah, that looks okay. Yeah. So after that, you go to the down. You scroll down and click on preview final compose. It will take a while before both the models into a single model. It will take a little bit of time. Yeah, it is done now. You can see this is quite good actually. Though the face seems to be a bit small, but it is still quite good, better than the previous face at least. In case you want to change things, you can always re-import the body and bust and work on the values. But basically, this will do. This is the method modus operandi. So export composite. Don't export from the file menu. Export from the export composite GLB menu of the add-on. Downloads. Future woman. Future woman. .glb. Once the export has been completed, you close this, you open a new file, don't save, and you preview the previous file to see how it came out. This is just to give you an idea. Future woman GLB, there it is, the model, and here it is. Here it is. A future woman for you. Thank you. Thank you for staying around.